awesome. Just sitting here, the skid steer, watching people work, feeling extra white right now. Super white. Look at this. Look how clean my hands are. Everybody's just working. And I'm just, shut up! I'm just working, but sitting down buckled. No, you can't see what I can see. I've been working in the skid steer. Oh, you don't want to know. What in the hell are we doing? Oh yeah, that's stuck. Oh yeah, this is stuck. And then he's gonna be stuck. Oh my god. Is this imitation dirt? What is this? Oh my. This isn't normal. Go into that. Oh my gosh, I'm just going downhill. I can't believe that Jeep's just not getting pulled towards me. This is straight peanut butter. Oh. I have a feeling we're leaving some pretty interesting tracks on the other side. Oh my gosh. Well, this is turning out to be a very interesting day. What's it gonna do? Run away from me? Probably not. Oh my gosh. Where do I live? Look at this dang tree. Oh my gosh. It's not getting any better. These trenches are so deep. Man, the property owner of this place is gonna be pissed. Oh my gosh, look, all four wheels of my truck just sitting there spinning, parked. Cool. Oh, he's gonna try to pull me. Oh, he's backing out the winch, all right. I know. I don't know. I mean, there's a pond there and it's overflowing, so there's no way I'd be able to make it down. It's just... Thank you, Colt, for bringing a Jeep. Yeah, the tires have been straight the whole time. I got the steering wheel seat belted. Look at that haze, little injector leak. No big deal. He's sliding now. Oh no! Man, this turned into like
like
something totally different than just get the skid steer unstuck.
Our whole family's watching.
This is pretty great, dude. I hope they're proud. Oh shit. It's alright.
Oh, he's good. Yeah, he's good. You're good.
Yeah, maybe. I'm gonna roll the windows up, not get some mud. Alright, here's what we're gonna do. The tire's still spinning? Yes. Yes. No. Yes. We're just gonna go ahead and come on now, Chevy. You got her. This is tomorrow's problem. Night night. Take this, take this. Good night, Gaston. Well, darn heck. Boy, howdy. Is that thing moving under its own? We will remove Shamu. Oh, mine died. Shut up. Just do as you're told. Tap down. Jamoon. Anybody ever tell you you're a beautiful man? How about now? Don't go forward! Hi! I think it'll move as long as it doesn't just sink in the mud. Unstuck part 2. Hi.
It's in drive.
It's in drive?
It's in drive right now, dude.
Gosh. All right. It's moving. It's coming towards me. Gosh. Look at that mud. Jeez. I can't believe this. Look how deep this is.
That's impressive.
Those are brand new tires. I feel so bad for his Jeep's electrical system right now. He's like,
Dude.
Hey, baby. It's still going down. Look how wet this is.
Dude. Oh, that just slid out yet.
Oh my gosh. This is so wet. I can't believe this. I'm not walking over that strap. You're nuts. Jesse, there's a stream right here. No kidding, there's a spring right there. Look at that. Look.
What?
Oh no, it's not. It's running through that. Oh my gosh. That's my front tire. That's my back end right. That's my other front tire.
Look at this.
That's my right front. This is my left front and right rear. Gosh. I should probably pay attention. Truck's just going. Should I start turning? Oh my gosh, it's coming towards me kind of fast. put that soda right. Yep. Buckle that. Oh gosh. Let's cool. On the road again. I just can't wait to be on the road again. Jesse's totally gonna wash my truck after this. Okay. Oh, still pretty slick. Up, side. Flashlight in my phone. I can't start going. I can't even touch the throttle without sliding backwards. Or sideways, I mean. We're almost there, we're almost there, we're almost there. You're gonna have to rewind, huh? Here, let me back up. Oh my gosh, that worked. Oh, of course it worked. I'm downhill.
There's no way, dude.
I'm idling right now. What was that? Oh.
I need me a Jeep.
Yeah.
And a winch.
It'd be super cool to have a 4x4 that's not 8,000 pounds.
Yeah.
It's like it's a problem. My rear wheel drive ain't working. Hold on to the brake. There we are. That's how I ripped out the front diff of my old Dodge Durango. Here we go. Wahoo! I'm pulling them right now. He's winching, but it ain't winching.
Dude.
No sheep. Dude, he's dragging.
Oh, he's dragging you now. And locked in.
Oh, ground! There's ground right there! Look! It's not peanut butter anymore! Oh yeah, it is. Yeah, no, it's pretty soft still. Look at that thing, dude. It looks like I just ran over a porcupine. I'm gonna have to drive down my driveway. Dang it! Yeah, I suppose. Oh, that poor worm. Oh, he's still alive, poor little feller.
Fat lady didn't sing yet, but I think we're free. Come on, Jeffrey. Let's go. Chris. Oh, man. Oh, my gosh. It's so dirty. I'm gonna try pulling forward. It's oh my gosh, please don't be stuck still. That would be super dumb. Here we go. Marine Drive. Hot down! Woo! I know! All right, cool. Hey. Oops, that was weird noises. Let's pretend that didn't happen. Put it back in there. And push the R and push the D. Push the window. Oh, the window. The window. There we are. Chevy. Come on. Gay man Chevy. Hey. Yoink. Yoink. Sheboygan. Oh, cool. My truck isn't stuck forever. Neither is that skid steer that I would have to buy another day. Just super. Oh my gosh. Dang. Dang.
I pulled him back, and he pulled me forward. I pulled him. We were just sitting there going back and forth, just laughing. Wow. Oh, we should probably start fucking around. Because I'm sure trying to get out of the
Well, Colt, I'm probably gonna have to get a Jeep then.
I think we all need
Jeeps. I wouldn't go down there. But... yeah. One more. Neither would I. Anymore. That's Jonathan. Well, turned out all right. Not so bad. Thank you. Oh my gosh, his old leg. Oh, dang on, cleaning Gaston for me.